Our adventure begins with a short 13-mile drive from our hotel in Licking, Missouri to Montauk State Park. On a warm Saturday afternoon, we find ourselves enjoying the tree-lined banks and see people trout fishing in crystal clear 60-degree water. For this trip, we left the expensive cameras at home and photographed everything with our iPhones. We are using the newly released panoramic format XP4N app developed by Bram Bos. And for video, we are using a GOPRO Hero 11 Black. Tan Vat Hole was given its name because French settlers in the early 1800s would bring animal hides to the river. The hides were soaked in tannic acid and later rinsed in the river to make leather. We take several pictures with our iPhones and time-lapse videos with our GoPro. We sit down and enjoy the melody of the stream before continuing to Cedar Grove access. The current river was formerly called La Rivière Courante, which means the running river by the French explorers and trappers. 8 miles downstream from Tan Vat is Cedar Grove access. Cedar Grove was a thriving village back in the early 1900s. During that time, the current river was used to transport lumber downstream. While the town disappeared, the area now boasts several primitive campgrounds and picnic areas, such as the one you see us making dinner in. As the sun begins to fade, we prepare a tuna and salmon dinner and set up for a sunset time-lapse with the GoPro. Our goal was to capture a night full of stars. However, with the temperature descending and not enough warm clothing, we made the decision to leave early. Now that the night sky has set in, it gives us a chance to test the nighttime capabilities of the XP4N app. The perfect place to demonstrate this is the Jadwin Outpost and Grill, located across from Jadwin Canoe Rental, which is one of the oldest Ozark National Scenic Riverways concessionaires dating back to 1973.
And keep in mind, the current river is it's a trout stream, so we're talking about 45-degree water, 50-degree water, which makes it really cold in the valley. The water just cools the air temp around you. So yeah. But hey, we had a great time. Had great food. We had ahi tuna and salmon and corn on our new stove.
As our day and night adventure comes to a close, we hope you enjoyed our journey of nature and rivers using the XP4N photography app. Please leave us a comment of what photographs you enjoyed the most. We'd love to hear from you.